Culture and history. In the territory that Quindío occupies today, the Quimbaya race exists, which inhabited this region before the arrival of the Spanish conquerors. We will find museums that demonstrate the work of Alfaresia and the richness that was based on their culture, like the Gold Museum, Quimbaya Pottery Museum in Armenia. The routing of its inhabitants in the architecture of the towns are part of this culture. We will find different celebrations such as the region of the Chapoleras, Jipao parades, born as an attraction and as a way to keep the memory.